Ready to dive into the fast-paced world of online trading? Let's get you started on Pocket Option. First things first, you'll need an account. Head over to the Pocket Option website and click on the prominent Sign Up button. You can register with your email address, Google, or Facebook account. Follow the simple on-screen prompts to complete your registration. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by the trading platform. To begin, you need to select an asset. Look for the Asset Selection menu. Typically at the top of the screen here, you'll find a wide variety of options, including currency pairs, commodities, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. Click on your chosen asset to load its chart. Now, let's talk about executing a trade. You'll see your selected asset's chart displaying real-time price movements below the chart. You'll find two crucial buttons up and down. Your goal is to predict whether the asset's price will go up or down within a specific time frame. Below these buttons, you can set your investment amount and the trade duration, which can range from seconds to hours. Before you confirm, make sure your investment amount and trade duration are set to your preferences. Once you've made your prediction, be it up or down, simply click the corresponding button. Your trade will then be activated. As you trade, always remember to manage your risk. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and consider setting stop-loss orders if available, which automatically close your trade if it moves against you beyond a certain point. Diversifying your trades across different assets can also help spread your risk. Mastering Pocket Option takes practice, so start with the demo account to hone your skills before trading with real money. Happy trading!